Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm going to share to you mga new lip products na bagong discover ko lang. Well, they're not necessarily like new in the market, pero bagong kita ko na naman. Alam mo yun? Pero parang ano to, I got these products mga 2 weeks ago na. So I was able to like sipat-sipat na these products. So I have a first impression. No, not really first impression. Meron akong very slight review about them. But I'm so excited to share to you guys kasi most of them are like, well, you know naman na, well, you probably don't know, but I'm a Lazada girl. But sometimes I also make pasyal sa Shopee. And when I go to Shopee, ang napansin ko, Shopee is more of online seller friendly. And ang dami mga online sellers doon guys na nagbebenta ng mga iba't ibang products na wala sa mainstream. Some are sikat na sa Instagram or something like that, but some are parang underrated. So, tingnan natin kung tayo ay mapapa salamat Shopee sa mga products na ipapakita ko. So, without further ado, let's start. So, first I'm going to show to you guys is yung mga liquid lipstick muna na madaling mabura. But I have lip tints kasi na my god, they're so hard to make bura. Oh, first product is this one right here. Guys, natin yung box. This brand is called Too Cool for School, which is actually a Korean brand. And this is the line Artclass Nuage. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Nuage Lip. Light Velvet Lip Tint. And I got this for only 380 pesos. And ayan ang itsura niya. Ang lakas maka-sunny's face nung parang matte na packaging and everything. Also happy skin, very comparable. Pero I love the packaging na parang ang badass niya, diba? So, I'm gonna swatch it on my arms muna. Here you go. And this is the shade Snug Red, number 4 Snug Red. And you guys, wait, apply ko muna. So this is the smudged effect. Let me show you the full effect. Mukha siyang parang red. Well, ano siya parang deep burnt orange in person, pero dyan sa camera parang mukha siyang like typical red. But it's not, I swear to God. So, ito guys, very comparable sa Sunny's Face lip dip and sa Happy Skin lip mallows. But this is mas pigmented siya kesa dun sa dalawang yon. And meron siyang parang very slight lang naman. Hindi naman super duper. Like parang blurring effect. Alam mo yun? Maganda siyang smudged and maganda rin siya like full pack on color, but it's so nice. Now, hindi ito hindi siya like 100% na transfer proof. Well, hindi siya transfer proof. Pero it's very long lasting. Hindi naman siya ganun kabilis matanggal, and then nagiiwan siya ng stain. And hindi siya drying. It's very comfy. So, for this one, it's a very yes for me. Pero, yung ibang online sellers kasi nito, parang mas mahal. So, I'm gonna link down below yung binilhan ko na 380 pesos. And I hope to God, it's still 380 pesos until now. Pero, tignan ko lang kung kompleto pa yung mga shades niya. Kasi the last time I checked, kasi nagustuhan ko nga to. So, I was planning to get some more shades. Parang hindi kompleto yung mga shades niya. May mga sold out. And yung mga ibang online shops na meron ng mga shades na hinahanap ko is like, mas mahal. So, let's cross our fingers. Next product I'm going to show to you guys is from MEMERABA. Well, the brand is MEMERABA. And this is the Light Luxury Mist Lip. And I got the shade 305. I got this, grabe po yung araw. Liwanag ko. Okay, so I got this for tumataginting na 144 pesos. And I honestly, look at the packaging. Hindi siya, alam mo yung, hindi siya po 144 lang. It is so nice. It's very simple. Pero honestly, you guys, meron ba sa inyo nakakalam? Ano ba tong brand na MEMERABA? Is this Chinese, Thai, or Malaysian? Kasi I tried researching for it. May mga lumalabas. It's from Malaysia. But I can't be sure kasi yung sulat is Chinese. I don't know. Well, there's some Chinese in Malaysia, I know, but please let me know. This is shade 305. Nagbago na naman yung... Sorry guys, I'm umaasa ako sa natural light. So, I'm so sorry kung nagbabago-bago yung ilaw and everything. My god, parang ang light niya sa camera, but honestly, in person, this is very deep. Super deep siya in person. Hindi ko na batang light. Wait. It's probably because sobrang liwanag ng araw. Kaya parang ang liwanag din tuloy. But it's so deep, you guys. It's very deep in person. For this one, it's not necessarily transfer proof. When I kiss the back of my hand, kahit paano merong konting na to transfer. Pero it's very long lasting. Hindi siya singtindi, of course, ng Super Stay Matte Ink or ng L'Oreal. Pero, dye, for 144 dye, you get this really good quality of a liquid lipstick. I like this better than the formula. Formula lang ha. Than the formula of Ilana Cosmetics. I like this better than the formula of Vice Cosmetics liquid lipstick. Kahit yung Cathy Doll liquid lipstick, nakabili na rin ako noon, but it's so thick, it's so... Parang nakaka-tight siya ng lips. This is so comfortable. And it's really, yung pigment niya, like, day! Tas 144 lang, day! So yeah, if you have a chance, try these, you guys, and let me know what you think. Again, it's not that super duper transfer proof. Pero, it's maganda na. Yeah, it's maganda na for the price. So, MEMERABA. Next lippy is, I'm pretty sure this is from Thailand or a Thai brand, and this is called the Kiss Beauty Love Me, the lip gloss. This is what it looks like. Hindi tinanggal yung sticker kasi it's so cute. Matte finish, pigmented, smudge proof, not sticky, and long lasting. So let me just put it first, guys. Alright guys, so this is what Kiss Beauty looks like, the lip gloss on my lips. And ganito yun na. Ang formula nito, medyo creamy na slippery, if you know what I mean. So pag nilagay mo siya, parang medyo a little bit, medyo mahirap siyang pantayin. Very, very slight patchy ang dating niya. Pero guys, kapag nag-set na siya, like, it's gonna turn into matte. Tapos, kiss proof. Yes. Ito pala siya. Ayan, on my arm swatch. Pag nagseta siya ng bongga-bongga, it's kiss proof. This is so mask friendly. Pero, pag kumain ka, mababawasan at mababawasan siya. Hindi siya yung super duper long lasting. Itong shade na to kasi medyo light na kasi yung shade na to. I don't know about the other shades, kung meron pa mga deeper, darker shades. Pero I love it because it's transfer proof, it's smudge proof, it's kiss proof, it's water resistant, and it's comfortable on the lips. On my lips, hindi naman kasi chappy yung lips ko nowadays, and I'm super hydrated nowadays. So, ayun, hindi siya tacky, and wala lang, comfortable, you know? And, ang naloka ko guys, I bought this for just 89 pesos. So I do recommend that you try this. I'm going to link yung shop na pinagbilang ko nito kasi din ko siya nabili ng mura. Other shops, iba-iba talaga sila ng presyo guys. Yung mga online shops sa Shopee. So, highly recommended! Next product you guys, itong tatlong to, I do believe this is local brand. Ito ang TPS or the Premium Stain. Creamy stain. Yeah. So I got 3 shades, you guys, because Una, isa lang ang binili ko. And I liked it. So, I got 2 more shades. Alam ko, 4 yung shade dito. 4 or 5. Hindi ko lang napusuan. Pero itong tatlong to ang napusuan ko. Oil-based lip stain. No lead content. Super pigmented. Matte. Long-lasting. And rich with vitamin E. Safe for pregnant women. Made from all natural and food-grade ingredients. Contains argan, jojoba, sunflower, and grapeseed oils. So, alam mo, lahat ng kagandahan ng environment and nature nandito sa loob nito. And the best thing is, you guys, it's just 108 pesos. I bought this for 108. So, let me do the swatches. Unahin natin. First shade is Athalia. Ang ganda, no? Athalia. Athalia or Athalia. Athalia. So this is Athalia or Athalia on my lips, you guys. It's so nice. It's so nice. So matte finish siya, and you have to wait for a few minutes to actually like set it. And pag nag-set na siya, it's not 100% transfer proof. Pero like magkakaroon pa rin ng slight, you know, shading, but I think pwede na tong mask friendly. Hindi siya singlala ng ibang mga hindi transfer proof or kiss proof na liquid lipstick, you know what I mean? And it's a matte finish, and it's so nice, and it's so comfortable, and alam mo yun, walang kataki-takiness, hindi siya tight sa lips, and it's so affordable. So highly recommend that you try this. Itong TPS, the Premium Stain. Yeah. Ooh, meron ba sila? Parang meron silang Instagram. Pagka-late naman kasi. Pero yung packaging niya, guys, it's, you know, very indie brand. Pero guys, pag kumain ka, mababawasan at mababawasan din siya. You know, hindi siya ganun kadaling tanggalin with just wet wipes. Kailangan mo ng handy dandy baby oil. Alright guys, so this is the shade Ruth, and ang ganda rin niya, no? For everyday. And it's matte, and I love it. I love it so much. Highly recommend that you get this shade. Alright guys, so this is Shipra or Shipra, something like that, and malayo siya kay Ruth. Dito parang kala mo very close sila, diba? Pero Ruth is lighter, and this is a deeper brownie maroony shade. It has a slight red undertone to it, so mapunta na tayo sa lip tints na Diyos ko tayo pagkatindi-tindi. And the first on our list is etong GIRLBOSS HD Matte Stain. I'm pretty sure marami sa inyo ang nakakalam na ng GIRLBOSS because parang naririnig-rinig ko na siya, nakikita-kita ko na siya sa Instagram before. But ang claim niya is smooth application, matte finish, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, paraben and gluten-free, long-wearing, buildable formula, transfer-proof, smear-proof, flavored, easy to blend, hydrating and moisturizing, properly preserved, professional formula, made with fruits and flower extracts, liquid and oil to matte finish. I don't know, yun yung description. And I was so surprised to see it in person because it was so tiny. Pero ang price ito is 75 pesos. Pag nakita mo yung photo niya, dahil mukha siyang nail polish. Pero eto siya in person. And it's a roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Oh, ha? Matindi, day. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's like really vampy and sexy. Again, it looks deeper in person. Hindi ko alam bakit. Bakit parang sobrang liwanag din naman. Ano ba masasabi ko sa kanya? Honestly, matindi tong lip stain na ito because it's super duper pigmented. Just good na yung araw na naman doon. Pero, hindi siya like, you know, transfer proof. Hindi din naman siya like super duper smudge proof. Pigmented, yes. It's gonna stain your lips, yes. It's going to be long lasting. Pero not necessarily, you know, transfer proof and everything. Pero, ang ayoko sa kanya, mabilis siya mag-set, you guys. And, pag nag-set siya, medyo mahirap na siyang i-budge or pantayin sa labi mo. I just wish na hindi siya parang rollerball. Sana ano siya, may applicator na, sponge applicator. It would have been better. Life would have been happier with that. Lasting tong stain na to, pero hindi nga siya smudge proof or transfer proof. Pero alam mo yun, pwede na, may say na, may ilalaban. Kumpara dun sa typical na lip and cheek tint na liquidy lang, alam mo yun, eto kasi medyo may pagka-slight thicker formula. So, pero I'm not sure if I like it kasi medyo mahirap siyang i-apply. You also cannot apply it ng pantay. So, pag ginamit mo to, kailangan pa-smudge talaga at mabilisan kasi mabilis siyang mag-set. So, but yeah, this is the GIRLBOSS HD Matte Stain. And last but definitely not the least, you guys, I have here yung Skin Sensation Velvet Stain. And I got this for only 89 pesos. Hashtag Salamat Shopee. Ang claim niya is full coverage, high intensity color, saturated with vitamin E, argan oil, aloe vera extract for softer lips, with aqua and pink French clay to keep your lips moisturized. I don't know what that means. Smudge proof and long lasting. And I got the shade Jade. Is what the Skin Sensation Velvet Tints look like. And compared to GIRLBOSS, I like this one better because ito mas thinner yung formula niya kaysa dito. So mas mabilis lumabas dun sa rollerball yung stain, and hindi siya mabilis mag-set. It will give you time to, you know, make pantay-pantay smudge all over your lips. And overall, mas gusto ko yung formula nito. So I recommend this way better than the GIRLBOSS one. Pero both of them are very, very long lasting. Teka, try natin. Try ko ito, guys. So alam mo yun, pag nag-set na siya ng maayos and lapat na and everything, okay, dun siya ma-consider as smudge proof or somehow transfer proof. But this one is way better than this one. That's all I can say. So what else? I think yun lang ang mga products, guys, na masashare ko sa inyo at masasabi ko ang hashtag Salamat Shopee at na-discover ko. Lahat ng links ng product na sinabi ko, I'm gonna list it down below, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.